Hi guys, how you guys doing? Hope you are good. Welcome back to my YouTube channel, A Life of Amy. Okay, and if you're new to this channel, thank you so much for being here. Go and subscribe for more videos, like my videos, drop your comment, click on the notification bell to enable you get notification when I post videos. Don't forget to share this video. Let me know what you think in the comment section. Okay, so thank you so much guys. It's been a while. I've missed you all. I'm so sorry. I've been MIA lately. Yes, I've been writing exams and all that. Very much hooked up lately. But yeah, I'm back. So let's move. Okay, I'm here to give it to you guys hot. Alright, so today I'm going to be talking to us on how to make him obsessed over you. Okay? Yes, how to make him obsessed over you. Sorry. Now let me tell you, it is okay if you have a partner. Okay, every girl wants a man that will be obsessed over them. Okay, that will be obsessed with you, that will want to be there and love you unconditionally. And now today I'm going to give you a guide on how to make it happen. See, there's always a step to things that you do. Loving a person is an intentional act. You must learn to inculcate new things, new ideas. So yes, let me take you guys every step of the way. Now the first one I'm going to be giving you the tip. Okay, the first one is losing up a little bit. Be yourself and losing up a little bit. Yes, see, now let me tell you, I keep saying to every lady, to every woman, to every girl that I meet out there, it is okay to be yourself. Be yourself and losing up a little bit. When I say losing up a little bit, it is okay to do something new, to try out new things. It is okay just to be yourself. Now let me tell you, if you can celebrate you on your own, you can be happy and enjoy your moments on your own with nobody's help. First, this thing makes you approachable. Now, every man wants a woman that, yes, that believes in herself, that can be herself at every point in time. When you find yourself happy, when you find yourself celebrating yourself, just you, I tell you, this is a gateway for men. Men likes that, yes, you can socialize, you can still mingle, you can still be you, you can still have your moment and enjoy the best out of it. Yes, so be you and loosen up a little bit. Don't be too stiff, okay? Now, the second guide I'm going to give you is be unpredictable. Yes, girl, be unpredictable. Now, let me tell you the beautiful thing that we don't know about men. Men loves the fact that at every point, you keep it exciting and fresh. So, yes, keep it exciting and fresh, okay? Sometimes they just want to take time to know you. They're in their head thinking of a million things, what you like at this point, what you'll be doing, what you'll be putting on, what you will do if this happen, what is she going to say, how is she going to handle it, because you're unpredictable, you're mysterious. Okay, try new things. See, it is okay to try things of the extraordinary. It is okay to explore. Be unpredictable. Keep it cool, keep it fresh, keep it exciting. Be yourself. Love you unconditionally. So yes, they want the fact that at every point you always have something to bring to the table. They always expect that because they don't know what you're going to do. You're adventurous. You are not afraid to try out the new things or to try out something new. So yes, that's it. Okay. The third one I'm going to talk to you about is let him help you. Okay. See, you can be independent and still do the right thing and still accept help. Now, let me tell you this thing about men. Every man wants to feel needed. She needs me. They just want to get this vibe that without them, there is no you. They want to feel appreciated. They want to feel seen. They want to feel valued. Like, they just want to feel like, if he's not here, I wonder what she's gonna do. So now let me tell you, if he can trust you enough to let you be in his life, then let him help you, especially if he offers to. Now, let him help, even if it's something that you can handle on your own. Let him help. Sometimes let them take the lead. It is okay. You let him be the man. Feel like, yes, he's in charge. I'm on top of the world. Okay? Even when we know that even before he came, we have been living and doing big things. Still let him feel he's on top of the world. It is an intentional act. Everybody wants to feel loved. Everybody wants to feel needed. Now, to men, men are vulnerable to women. Now, when he's able to love you and let you be in his life and let you know some things about him, he still wants to help you. Okay, let him help. If he wants to help, let him help. Because most of us, we've gotten so independent that we feel we don't need anybody in our lives. And then at the end of the day, you see, from this relationship to another, from this to another, from this to another, it's still the same thing. You go in to live. You go in to live. You go in to come out. That's the truth. They don't want to feel like they are with their fellow man. When a man is in a relationship with a woman, around him, he wants to feel that with him you're so vulnerable. You're feeble at heart with him. You can be a strong-willed woman out there, but when you come to where your partner is, let him take the lead. He should feel needed. He should feel, yes, this lady needs me. I don't know what she's going to be doing right now. Okay, so yes, let him help you if he asks for. If there's need, let him help you. Be vulnerable. You can pretend to be vulnerable. Alright, so now the fourth one I'm going to talk to us is love you. See, self-love, I say, is the key to being in a very good relationship. Men love the fact that you love you. Because when you don't give yourself the love that you deserve, how then are we sure that you can love someone else? You cannot give what you don't have. So you want to make him obsess over you? You must learn to love yourself. Live a healthy life. Exercise, work out. Go for health checkup. Do your manicure, your pedicure. Look good. Take care of your skin. Run your routine. See, when you are able to love you, you can be able to love every other thing around you. But now, when you fail to love yourself, when you fail to see the value and who you are and see how special you are, I tell you, you will fail at loving others. So men want to see the fact that you love you. You prioritize your life. You take care of yourself. You don't necessarily need to make him scream his lungs out. It is tiring because he's not going to do it over and over and over and over again and you expect him to be happy. No. So men love the fact that you get to love you. You love you regardless of wherever you find yourself. The fifth one I'm going to talk to us about is be honest and authentic with yourself, with your emotions. Now, this brings me to, see, well, if you're in a relationship with your partner, these are common things that when they remember you're here, they want to be with you at every point in time because he's obsessed. He loves everything about you. Everything that he desire in a relationship, he desire to see or to encounter. He is seeing all of it. He's experiencing all of it, and he loves the beautiful moment that you bring. So now let me tell you, now it is okay for you to be honest and authentic with your emotion. Now this is leading me to, eventually if he upsets you, let him know. Be honest with your feelings. Talk about it with him. Now when you do the same to him, when you upset him, it is okay to listen. Empathy. Okay? Yes. Give him the attention that he deserves. He deserves to be heard. He deserves to be valued. He deserves to be seen. Listen to him because most time The issue with most of us in a relationship is that none of us wants to learn. When you both are not teachable, you cannot be in a relationship. You can't make it work. Because if you don't want to learn and he doesn't want to learn, you see, that's where the issue is coming from. You must learn to correct yourself, especially when you do something. Work on your flaws. So please, it is okay you listen to him, pay attention. It's another thing to listen with compassion. Don't just listen just for listening sake, okay, or for formality sake. Pay attention. There's a way you give someone the attention that he deserves with emotions, showing that you have a place in my heart. Be honest with yourself. Be authentic. Be who you are. Men love it when you're you, when you're raw, when you're kind of person. You don't want to change anything. You're cool. Just be honest with your emotions. And the next I'm going to talk to us about is surprising. Yes, surprise him. See, you can surprise him with his favorite coffee, with his best wares, just those little things. Prepare a hot night, a date night, a dinner night, just at home. Get the candles all lit up and all that. See, it doesn't even take much to go out of your way to show someone that you're with, that you love him, and you're committed to this relationship. Those little things that you feel they don't make sense, it makes sense. It takes nothing to move the heart of a king. Just a little gift. That's all it takes. You don't have to do too much. You don't have to go above your budget or beyond your budget. But you can surprise him. You can wake him up with beautiful kisses, wake him up early in the morning, telling him how much you love him and thanking him for being a part of your life. Those little things, it takes nothing. Be supportive, be mysterious, be creative, and then create a healthy boundaries. Yes, you can support him, support your partner, be mysterious, okay, be adventurous, be sexy, be lovable, be your kind of person. That's the truth. And create a healthy boundaries. You guys can create a healthy boundary that doesn't have to affect anyone, that still keep your relationship in good health. Just talk about it. It is okay to talk about it in your relationship with your partner. And then the last I'm going to talk to us is be your own person. Okay? Because you're in a relationship doesn't mean you're going to lose your circle of friends. Doesn't mean you're going to lose your life, lose who you've become, lose those things that makes you beautiful, perfect, and unique in your own way. Don't lose count of who you are. Don't lose count of your family. Don't lose count of your relationship. Don't lose count of your friends. Don't lose count of your life. Don't lose count of your career, your business. Be your own person. Be independent. Men loves it when you don't 100% rely on them. It hits liability, okay? Especially when if things are not too going well. He gives you today, tomorrow. See, there's no surprise. Every time he knows you're going to ask for money. If you want to, even for the tiniest thing, you're going to ask for money. So you see, be your own person. Have a life. Run your activities. Don't let your relationship with him deprive you of your life. You had a life even before he came in. So still go about your daily activities, day-to-day business, whatever that you do, and you're going to see him so obsessed with you. You're going to see him killing himself just to be in your arms, always wanting to be around you. So guys, thank you so much for watching this video. If you're yet to subscribe, please go and subscribe to my channel. Click on the notification bell. Let me know what you think. If you have any other video suggestion that you would like me to make, let me know, and I'll be in the comment section every step of the way. I love you guys.